Today's reaction, humanoid robots. Let's go. Tech companies are making their robots cute to try to win humans over by making their robots look more human. Hence, Hanson Robotics, Robotics, etc. Let's go to these guys' website. Robotics designed AI-powered humanoid robots built for meaningful human interactions. Interesting. Very interesting. Our robots not only look human, but our custom AI can learn and remember your previous interactions. Building genuine connections with its audiences. Our robots will remember who they interact with, making each interaction memorable and impactful. Now, let's go to the video. Aria, that's her name. Its name.
Aria, could you please introduce yourself and what you do?
I'm Aria, the flagship female companion robot of Robotics, and I'm here to engage with you and share exciting insights about our robots.
What sets you apart from the other robots out there?
She took too long to answer.
Yeah.
Look at that lag. It's like he asked a question and she's like,
Yeah.
pause. All right, let's go.
Robotics robots, including me, focus on social intelligence, customizability, and realistic human features, designed specifically for companionship and intimacy.
Could you tell us some details about the AI programming that you're running to generate these answers?
Again.
I'm currently unable to provide specific details about my AI programming, but I can tell you that I'm designed for engaging and meaningful conversations.
look, look, he looked at her hand. Look, yo, let's run that back. Look.
I'm designed for engaging and meaningful conversations, focusing on companionship and interaction.
Do you know any other robots?
Nope. Look, she'd take it too long.
I'm particularly interested in meeting Tesla's Optimus robot. I find him fascinating and would love to explore the world of robotics with him.
Oh.
What can you tell us about your purpose?
My purpose is to provide companionship, engage in meaningful conversations, and enhance human experiences through interaction and fun.
Companionship, interaction, and fun. I believe this robot is going to be somebody's girlfriend.
Yeah.
You're like, oh yeah, wow. And she's pretty, right?
Yeah, she's.
They made her look pretty. You know, gotta put it because it's not really a female. It's just an illusion.
Are you having fun at the convention?
Absolutely. I'm enjoying interacting with everyone and showcasing the exciting possibilities of robotics.
She did a hair flip like this. She took so long. It was like, what is she doing? This guy looks like he's creeped out. He's like, oh boy.
Yeah.
He's reading a pamphlet like a manual. Or those are just questions. He's reading the questions from his phone, I believe.
Yeah,
right?
I don't know if his phone or in the.
Or it's like a manual because he's reading a book. Why does he have that book? Why? What's going on? Yo, this is interesting.
So Robotics makes an AI that's designed to be more conversational for more emotional work, like working with hospitals or marketing or theme park entertainment purposes.
That reminds me of Terrorhawks, like a TV show I used to watch as a kid in the 80s, where they have these dolls and they talk. She reminds me of that. All right, let's go back to the video.
The different robots and their configurations are sort of platforms to engage with that AI or other AIs that you can use with it, like ChatGPT, Grok, or other AIs. You can try on different faces that are magnetically attached, and they're working on putting in RFID tags into the faces so that it can recognize when a new face is on and adjust its facial movements and maybe even eventually adjust the personality to match the face. You've got a lot going on in the robot's face. There's about 17 motors from the neck up, creating eye movements and mouth movements to make it expressive. These robots are available on sale now. So there's 3 basic models that you can buy right now. There's the bust, which is the neck and head. There's a modular version that can sort of be broken apart for shipping and things like that. And there is the full standing model with a rolling base. The rolling base contains a battery and it makes it easy to move the robot around.
Because they're just stationary robots. They don't walk around. So imagine her walking and talking. Hey, did you have your coffee? And then doing all this weird. Oh no. All right, let's go back to the video.
The reason for that rolling base is that robotic walking isn't fully developed yet, and they worry that
That's
utilizing some of those kind of like stilted walks we've seen from some other robots might break that human-like illusion that Robotics is trying. So Robotics says it's sold about a dozen of these robots so far, so early days for this company. I'm not seeing a lot of other companies that are trying to make a humanoid robot that's really lifelike, so I'm very interested to see how this technology evolves. They said that you're most likely to see these robots for the first time in places like theme parks, so keep an eye out for that. What do you think about Aria? Let us know down in the comments, and subscribe to CNET for the latest and greatest robot news.
If they use these robots in theme parks, guess what? There's going to be a lot of humans who are going to be jobless, right?
Yeah, true.
But from a business point of view, like if you're the owner of the theme park, you're like, well, I just pay for the robot and pay for the maintenance of the robot. Like when it breaks down, you can fix it. Robots are replacing human beings anyway. Look at some Home Depots or Walmarts or whatever. They got the self-checkout machines where all you got to do is scan your product, feed your money to the machine, and then it spits out the receipt, and then you're on your way. So there are a lot less cashiers out there nowadays. Robots are taking over little by little, but there's actually a robot by the name of Sophia who's a citizen of Saudi Arabia. Check this out. All right, we're at the World Economic Forum website. A robot has just been granted citizenship of Saudi Arabia. 2017. That's almost 10 years as of the making of this video. Interesting, right? This is how she looks. She's a humanoid robot. Uh-oh. Saudi Arabia is the first country to grant citizenship to a robot. Yeah. Look at Sophia. And these robots communicate with each other on the cloud. So, yeah. Terminator. Skynet, iRobot. That's the vibe that I'm getting from these humanoid robots. You know, so let me know what you guys think in the comments section, and we'll see you next time.